we factor here? Okay, so the m squared plus 10m minus 11. We can certainly factor this. How does the m squared plus 10m minus 11 factor? Yeah, plus 11 minus 1 over, how about m squared minus 1? Can we factor that? To what? Yep, m plus 1, m minus 1. And then we still are multiplying this by m plus 1 over m plus 11. Yeah, we can cancel these two m minus 1s. Good. Yeah, we can cancel the m plus 1 and the m plus 1. Yeah, we can also cancel the m plus 11s. So what do we have left? 1. Canceled everything out, so we have a 1 left. Is that one okay? Okay, let's look at another one that also involves a little bit more factoring. Number 8, we have t minus 2 cubed over t minus 1 cubed times t squared minus 2t plus 1 all over t squared minus 4t plus 4. When we see the t minus 2 cubed and the t minus 1 cubed, remember that's just we have that term written 3 separate times. Okay, but let's look and see what we can factor.
Can you put like negative 1 on the bottom of those?
No, because they're cubed, so you have to write it out separately. T squared minus 2t plus 1, how could that factor? Let's see, we got this cubed, we got this cubed. T squared minus 2t plus 1. Yeah, t minus 1 times t minus 1. First terms have to be t. Your last terms have to be 1. The outside and the inside here would certainly give us a minus 2t. Okay, how about t squared minus 4t plus 4? T and t, yeah. Minus 2 minus 2. Okay, so now take a look. In the numerator, I have 2t minus 1s. In the denominator, how many do I have? 3 of them. So how many will end up canceling? 2 of them will cancel. And I'll have how many left down here then? I'll just have 1 left. So I'm going to change that exponent of 3 to an exponent of a 1. Same thing for the t minus 2s. Here I have 2 of them in the denominator and 3 in the numerator. So 2 of them cancel, and I am left with 1 of them in the denominator. Yeah. So we are left with t minus 1 over, or t minus 2 over t minus 1. Is that one okay? I think we've got one more left with a little bit more factoring than what we have been seeing. Oh, never mind, not as much factoring. 9, y minus 4 squared all over 3y times y minus 2 over y plus 4 times y minus 4. So what on here? Everything's already factored down for us, so what can we simplify? Okay, yep, so I have a 1y minus 4 here will cancel with one of those. So instead of squared, I'll just have one of them left, and that one will cancel. And then can we simplify anything else? No. So when we have a case like this, when we multiply through, we're going to have to make sure we FOIL or distribute the numerators together, and then do the same in the denominator. So here we've got y minus 4 times y minus 2. Yep, so we'll have y squared. Yep, minus 2y, and then minus 4y plus 8. So that gives us y squared minus, when we combine those two together, 6y plus 8. Remember, you should always be striving to get this simplified answer right away from your first step. So you should always be trying to do that outside and inside step in your head. Okay, the denominator here, 3y times y plus 4. What do we have to do with the 3y? Now just distribute it, so 3y squared plus 12y. And there's our simplified answer.
So for the top one, did you just FOIL it?
Yeah, we FOILed or distributed the top values there. You should always be striving to get doing the outside and inside step in your head.